What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man, and today, bro, we're gonna be giving y'all boys that late night POV drive. Y'all see what we got outside today. Got the baby track outside today. You already know what time it is. You see how we looking good. But without further ado, man, let's get to the POV. I'm gonna show y'all boys what we got. Okay, let me cut it on real quick. Turn the music down. Let's do it. We not worrying about all these nonsense settings. Let's do it. Let me see something. I wanna see my bad, y'all. They got it in the Civic. I wanna see what that Civic was talking about, though. You know they be having cars trying to double back like they slick. Let me holler at you, Civic. When that Bursky. Okay, so this gonna be like a quiet POV, late night shit. Oh, I had the pages up and I took them down. My B. Y'all see what we got, man. All we got is that little tie light on. It's gonna do what it do, you feel me? Got the stars up top. You already know what time it is, man. Late night POV drive. I ain't do one of these in a minute, bro, so I know y'all boys been waiting. You feel me? I know y'all been waiting. And I'm gonna throw her in sport mode too. And as y'all can see how many miles we almost at. 15,000, you feel me? We almost there. We almost there, you feel me? 15K miles is crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. But it's really not a lot, you feel me? It's just, that's what we about to reach. So y'all see, we just waiting for these little cars to go. And then we gone. Yeah, we gone. Light change. Alright, bet. Oh, we got a little action already. I ain't even really hit it too much, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I ain't doing POV in a minute, so y'all boys bear with me, man. I'm trying to hold this camera right for y'all. And I ain't really get to check and see. God know my light, man. Let me see, I'm about to see behind this cutter. I'm trying to see if I ain't trying to use my high beams. I'm trying to turn on my lights up. I don't be trying, I ain't gonna lie, a lot of people say my headlights be bright as a mud, bro. So I don't be trying to have on my high beams and be blinding people. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie, the right lane looking smooth, G. Right lane looking smooth. If you on white line, then you just not a driver, bro. White line is, I'm not saying white line is okay, but everybody white lines, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to switch lanes because I don't know what they doing. You feel me? Let me swap lanes real quick. Gotta get a little bit active, you feel me? A little bit active. Let me get in front of you, buddy, boy. Here we go. That's the only thing, bro. Like, I hate when right lane, as you can see, bro, look at the right lane, bro. Right lane moving faster than everybody, bro. It's the slowest lane, bro. I be hating when this shit like that. Okay. ain't swing no sharp curve, you feel me? But you don't really have too many issues with curves, bro. Like, unless it's a real sharp curve, that's the only way you really have an issue like that. But I ain't gonna lie, I love this stuff, man. As y'all can see, I just be floating in this mud. I don't gotta worry about this bit being too loud, attracting too much attention either. You know me, I like to be low-key with it. I don't even got my lights on and stuff either. I ain't even turned my lights on because I already knew what time it was, you feel me? Why they on brakes? I don't know. I would've took pictures like in the city and stuff like that, but the only reason I didn't, bro, was because I know they got the Super Bowl and all that, and in New Orleans, bro, right now, I ain't gonna lie to you. The whole city is down on lockdown. And they got everything blocked off. They got police everywhere. It's damn fucking trap. Damn. I had to get my haircut. Really, that's what made me even come on this side. I had to get my haircut and shit. And fuck, I was in traffic for almost like an hour down there. I had to get off the bridge and hop back on. I had to go around them. That's all that really was about. I would've swapped to that right lane, but it looked like they got traffic up there. So I ain't gonna do it. And they got too much traffic up there. We ain't gonna do that, you feel me? We ain't gonna do that. Yeah, I'ma just chill for now, you feel me? I'ma just chill. But y'all boys, let me know, man. Y'all rock with the POVs? Should I do more POVs or nah? I know I ain't doing one of these in a minute. I don't know why my camera said it got 17 minutes left. When I got 48% battery. I probably gotta delete some clips. I ain't gonna do my clips in a little minute. I definitely gotta go do my clips. I ain't gonna lie though, bro. If you think about getting a Jeep, bro, whether it's a V6, V8, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I recommend you get one, bro. No matter what it is, to be honest with you, because it's just a comfortable vehicle, bro. Like, if you just like by yourself, or even if you got like a small family or something like that, it's just a comfortable vehicle, bro. Like, you can do anything in it, bro. It's convenient, you feel me? Like, if you gotta go out of state, look at the dome right there, you feel me? The dome looking good. You already know what time it is. But it's a very convenient vehicle, bro. And this POV, I'm gonna go across the water too, you feel me? Show y'all how it was in the bridge. I could get a little, see, I was gonna get y'all a little pull, but you see they got an Altima hopping all the way over in the left lane. Then they got traffic coming. What else they got, bro? Everybody wants speed race. I already know. I just don't feel like being in traffic, so as long as they chill their ass out, you feel me? I see police lights up there already. Y'all chill out, bro. Unless they go out to y'all. Cause I'm cool to me. Man, bro, I told y'all boys I was gonna do two videos every single week, man. That's what I'm gonna do, you feel me? It might not be easy, but damn, I'm saying though, like, that's what I'm saying, bro. If I was speeding, bro, this man just got over without a blinker. It would have been over with. You feel me? You know how many accidents could have happened, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why, bro. It's like people like turning in front of my Jeep, bro. Like, they'll see my shit coming and still try to turn, bro. Like, I don't know if they be wanting me to hit them. But that's why I'm happy. I really don't have nothing too fast right now, bro. I feel like I'd have been smacked something, bro. I'm just being honest. I ain't gonna lie. It wouldn't have been my fault, though. It would have been somebody trying to turn in front of me. I could give it a little pull now. Y'all boys ready? Y'all boys ready? The bridge pull. Oh yeah, we move. Oh yeah, we move. Oh yeah, we move. Oh, let me slow down though. 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 Brembos actually work, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Brembos slow this bitch down quick. Them bitches work, boy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boys. If y'all think about doing a Brembo upgrade, bro, I highly recommend it, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Them Brembo upgrades, them bitches work, man. A lot of people probably sleeping on them, I'm telling you. That's where it's at, bro. You want your shit to be really driving, you feel me? Upgrade to the Brembos. I got a lot of tools and stuff in my car. So if y'all hear like metal clinking or something like that, it's the tools. I'm about to go around this guy because I personally don't know what he's doing. I'm about to go around him, bro. What Brody doing? I'll tell you with a camera. I don't know what you doing again. But I'm gone. Y'all see what time it is, man. Yeah, we back across the back in the West Bank. But shit, bro, I got a few errors and stuff to run, bro. Ooh, I don't know what that was beside the bridge just now. And this car going slow. Hey, look, I'ma catch up, man, bro. You gonna ride my side, bro? So you gonna ride my side, and Brody gonna stay in front of me. So they playing police games, you feel me? They playing police games, you feel me? It's good, bro. It's good. Hey, I'ma catch up with y'all boys in the next video, man. I ain't gonna make this video too long. I still got more things I gotta do, you feel me? Thank you, he finally got out the way. One more pull before we get out of here, man. Nah, we can't go to where they got a car right now. Nah, but I'ma catch up with y'all boys in the next video, man. If you new, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already. They got too many cars right now, bro, so I ain't gonna even be able to hit it, for real. I'm probably have to do a POV later at night next time. But y'all boys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Young J. Catch up with y'all boys in the next video.
Bro, them trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo. She